Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to buy US Treasury bills on Fidelity. Log in to your Fidelity account and fund the cash or sweep account you will use to purchase T-bills. Navigate to the Accounts menu, open Fixed Income or Bonds, and choose Treasury bills from the list. Filter by term and yield, then review the offering details, minimums, and settlement instructions before placing your order for primary or secondary market purchases. In this video, I will explain how to buy US Treasury bills on Fidelity. From Fixed Income, select Treasury bills and set filters for term length and auction timing. Look at yield, price, and settlement instructions, and compare primary auction results versus secondary market listings. Consider laddering maturities to stagger cash flow, and set order type, quantity, and good until date before confirming to secure the desired yield and settlement date. In this video, I will review how to buy US Treasury bills on Fidelity. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for durability and a lifetime warranty, perfect for long market research sessions or busy commutes. They feel great, last year's, and make a small but satisfying upgrade to your routine. If you want the pair I mentioned, check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help you buy US Treasury bills on Fidelity. Choose auction participation to submit a competitive or non-competitive bid, or pick a secondary market listing and enter quantity and price. Review settlement date, accrued interest rules, and funding source, then confirm the trade. After execution, check trade confirmations and your holdings to see maturity dates and expected proceeds, and plan reinvestment or withdrawal as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.